What's going on, guys? Mr. Ladd over here, and I want to say thank you so much, guys. You have been, it seems like you've been really enjoying these Vonixx car care product reviews. One thing I would like to say, though, is that I get a lot of views on these videos, and the retention rate is great, and it seems like you guys are staying throughout the video. But what I would love to see is you guys wax the like button, leave a comment down below, because I would love to get your feedback and your thoughts of the company. Is there anything I'm missing or anything that you'd like for me to explain? Go ahead and give me your feedback in the comment section below. But today we're going to go ahead and move forward with the Vonixx car care products, and we're going to talk about Vonixx's Sintra Fast. Simply what it is if you are familiar with P&S's Express interior cleaner, it works the same way, except for now, instead of it just being like a degreaser type product, it's a pH neutral product that also works as a bacteria neutralizer, bacteria removal, or bacteria cleaner. And so not only are you cleaning the area as far as like grease and grime and all that, but now you are able to also tackle bacterias, and so areas where you are touching handles a lot and all that stuff. This works great for that, and I've been using it on a few cars, and I happen to really like it, and it's really easy to use. So this actually should be a very quick video. Quite simple. I don't like to spray it directly on the surface like any other product. I have a Detail Factory detail brush, very soft bristle brush, and simply what I do and how I use it, I just do a few sprays in here. There's some grease and grime on there. And it doesn't foam up like Express or a lot of the other interior cleaners, because it's not really a degreaser. It's more of just a cleaner product. It has a nice clean fragrance to it. It's kind of bright. It smells like a cleaner. It doesn't smell like cherry or vanilla or anything like that. Like, it smells like a cleaner. And I think that's all right, because most of these smells dissipate anyway, and I happen to actually like the cleaner smells. I don't like it when products have this overbearing cherry or lemon or lime fragrance. But even as you can see what I've already touched, it has a nice appearance to it. It doesn't leave grease or it doesn't leave a residue to it. It feels nice. It feels fine. It's not staining anything. I'm going to go ahead and go in this pocket where people leave a lot of change and stuff. Simply all the areas where you really touch a lot. You know, I got to be honest, I actually really like the product. And so far, I am a fan of the Vonixx car care products, and it works very well. Once again, it has a nice clean fragrance to it, kind of dialed in this area, and it looks very good. It works on carpeted or fabric surfaces as well. You can use it in your extractor if you would like. Now, what I will say is, don't oversaturate these carpeted areas. I don't like doing that. You know, when you're using it in an extractor, yeah, you can go ahead and do that, but it works very well in pretty much any type of surface. I'm going to turn off the camera real quick, and I'm going to take you to another spot where it works very well on. Here we go, guys. We're moving along. I'm trying to stay away from the 15-20 minute videos and keeping it under 10 minutes here, so you guys can just go ahead and enjoy the content. But these floorboards over here, people kick them and all that, and of course you can't remove every single scratch and mar that happens from a foot or whatever, but this product does work very well. I don't use a soft bristle brush on this area. I'm going to use my Scrub Ninja, which is, I think, an auto fiber product, and it removes it very easily. Most of it's actually coming up, except for the actual marks and scrapes that are into the plastic. All the surface stuff it's gone, all the dirt's gone, and quite frankly, it's working very well. Of course, you can use it on the gas pedal, the brake pedal. You can use it everywhere. I'm going to take you to one more spot, and then I'll kind of give you my final thoughts. So I wanted to take you to the steering wheel, because obviously that's where we touch the most. And so obviously Sintra Fast, I like to use it on steering wheels. Once again, I don't like to spray the area directly. I spray the brush. I'm in a mobile environment, guys. I'm working outside, and a product like this works very, very well for me. It's really a very simple product to kind of use. There's no real crazy system to it. It's kind of very, very simple, and it almost seems like too simple, you know? Now, I can't really speak for the bacteria removal. Is it really doing it? I don't know. I don't have a microscope that I'm testing this under. I'm kind of trusting what they're saying, but the dirt's coming up on the microfiber towel. I don't know, guys. It seems pretty straightforward, and at the very least, it's an effective cleaner. So that's kind of, you know, some different areas. You know, obviously you can do this, the knobs, the gear shifting knobs, cup holder, all the different areas that you kind of touch a lot. It's very good for going over those areas, but I'm going to kind of take you aside, hopefully a shaded spot so my phone doesn't overheat, but I want to kind of give my final thoughts. And there you guys have it. That was Vonixx Car Care's Sintra Fast. I want to say to Vonixx, thank you so much for sending me out this product to review. I happen to really like it, and I'm a big fan of designated interior cleaners, and an interior cleaner that works on all surfaces and does a great job cleaning is hard to find. There's very few out there that are very effective, and this is one of the more effective products that I happen to like. And so for all you watching out there watching this video, in the link in the bio, I'm leaving the link to the North American distributor. They sell this product in the, I believe it's close to a gallon. If not, it's like 101 ounces or something like that. But it's very, very highly concentrated, if that makes sense. And so on the website you'll see all the different dilution ratios and how to use them, and I think that's actually a very, very effective way of purchasing this product. It's under $30 for 101 ounces, or just under a gallon. And if it's so, you know, they say it's for heavy duty cleaning 5 to 1. Well, right there you go. That's really, really good. And so I happen to really like the product. It works great in my environment as a mobile detailer. It's not an obnoxious smell, it just smells like a cleaner smell, and that cleaner smell goes away fairly rapidly like any other detailing product, so it doesn't leave a crazy residue behind. Works in extractor machines. Sorry, I get tongue tied all the time as I'm trying to speak off the top of my head here. Works in extractor machines, works great with pretty much any method. It's not going to pick up heavy stains in the carpet, but it will go ahead and do a good job at cleaning some light stains. You're going to need agitation and carpet fibers and all that stuff as always, but you guys are the professional detailers. You know that. You don't need me to explain that to you. But guys, I really do like this product, and I think you should give it a try. Out of all the products so far, this one is really coming up on top for me, and so far I've liked all the products. That being said, guys, Mr. Ladd here, signing out. If you have not already done so, whack that like button for the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to the channel if you have not already done so. Thank you so much for all your love and your support, and I truly appreciate all that you do for the channel. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.